Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter reset options, which are at the bottom of the list. And here we've got the networks kind of divided into two different sections. So we can either reset mobile network settings or Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So all you have to do is to tap on the specific option and tap on reset settings. Be aware, because your device is informing you that you cannot undo this action, and tap on reset settings if you're ready. And this is the same situation with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Simply tap on it and tap on reset. And as you can see, we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.